Welcome to Siargao, our paradise island that needs help. Trash is a growing problem in Siargao Island. We're lacking with any segregation system. Nature Kids believe in three things. The first one is to protect our island and its nature. The second thing is to educate kids the importance of being eco-kind. And the third thing is to create job opportunities with a sustainable approach. For example, our recycling art studio. If we continue our important work in Siargao, it's not too late. We still have time to save our island.